The phoenix and the turtle. Let the bird of loudest lay on the sole Arabian tree. Herald sad and trumpet be, to whose sound just wings obey. But thou seeking harbinger, foul precursor of the freight, augur of the fever sent, to this troop come thou not near. From this session interdict every fowl of tyrant wing, save the eagle feathered king, keep the obscure so strict. Let the priest in surplice white that defunctive music can be the death divining swan, lest the requiem lack his light. And thou treble dated crow, that thy sable gender makest, with the breath thou givest and talkest mongest, our mourner shall thou go. Here the anthem doth commence, love and constancy is dead. Phoenix and the turtle fled in a mutual flame from hands.
ভালো লাগলে লাইক শেয়ার আর কমেন্ট তো করবেনই, আর প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন, বেল আইকন টিপতে ভুলবেন না।